BIOS firmware contains a startup program called the Startup BIOS. It also includes system BIOS instructions that load drivers for basic hardware. It manages motherboard settings such as current date and time, installed drives, operating system storage information, and serial and parallel port configurations. The BIOS supports Advanced Configuration Power Interface, or ACPI, which allows the operating system to control power usage and power down devices when not in use. It also supports plug and play, enabling the computer to discover and configure new hardware automatically. UEFI is a modern firmware standard developed to replace the BIOS. It improves software interoperability, addresses several limitations found in traditional BIOS systems,